Assalamualaikum everyone, we are from group 2, consist of me myself, Maizarfan Fajri, Adinda Putri, Arbi Abdullah Saleh, Imam El Hafiz, Muhammad Al-Amin Fadilli Reyhan Akbar Putra Permana, and Surya Mulya Hermawan. We did text analysis using Voyant Tools on user review of Instagram.
History about Instagram. Instagram began development in the San Francisco as brand a mobile check-in application created by Kevin Syndrome and Mike Cringer. Realizing the brand was too similar to Foursquare's system and the Cringer reversed their application on the photo sharing, which had become a popular feature among brand users. They reminded the application Instagram at the Permana of instant camera and the Telegram. And they originally launched on the iOS in the October 2010. The Android version was released in the April 2020, followed by feature limit desktop interface in the November 2020. A Fire OS application in June 2014 and the application for the Windows 10 in October 2016. The application allow user to upload media that they can be edited with the filter and organized by hashtag and the geographical taken. Photos can be shared public order with pre-processed follow. User can browse other user contact by the text and location and view trending contact. User can like photo and follow other user to add their contact to the feed, a function that the M.S.M to be disconnection as of September 2020.
And I will explain about features in Instagram. The first one is hashtags. In January 2011, Instagram introduced hashtags to help users discover both photos and each other. Instagram encouraged users to make tags both specific and relevant, to make photographs stand out and to attract like-minded Instagram users. Users on Instagram have created trends through hashtags. The trends deemed the most popular on the platform often highlight a specific day of the week to post the material on. And in December 2017, Instagram began to allow users to follow hashtags, which display relevant highlights of the topic in their feeds. And the second one is Explore. In June 2012, Instagram introduced Explore, a tab inside the app that displays popular photos taken at nearby locations, and search. The tab was updated in June 2015 to feature trending tags and places, curated content, and the ability to search for location. And in May 2017, Instagram updated the Explore tab to promote public stories content from nearby places. And the third one is photographic filters. Instagram offers a number of photographic filters that users can apply to their photo to give some effect and make the photo look better and more aesthetic. The fourth is video. Instagram incorporated 15-second video sharing in June 2013. The addition was seen by some in the technology media as Facebook attempt at competing with the then popular video sharing application, which is Vine. In August 2015, Instagram added support for widescreen videos. In March 2016, Instagram increased the 15-second video limit to 60 seconds. The fifth is IGTV. IGTV is a vertical video application launched by Instagram in June 2018. IGTV allows uploads of up to 10 minutes in length with a file size of up to 650 megabyte, with verified and popular users allowed to upload videos of up to 60 minutes in length with a file size up to 5.4 gigabyte. And next, we got Instagram Direct. In December 2013, Instagram announced Instagram Direct, a feature that lets users interact through private messaging. Users who follow each other can send private message with photos and videos, in contrast to the public-only requirement that was previously in place. When users receive a private message from someone they don't follow, the message is marked as pending and the user must accept to see it. And last is Instagram Stories. In August 2016, Instagram launched Instagram Stories, a feature that allows users to take photos, add effects and layers, and add them to their Instagram story. Images uploaded to a user story expire after 24 hours. The media noted that feature similarities to Snapchat, and on December 5th, 2017, Instagram introduced Story Highlights, also known as permanent stories, which are similar to Instagram stories but don't expire. They appear as circles below the profile picture.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Arbi Abdullah Saleh, and I would like to elaborate about terms in Voyant Tools. The first one is corpus. Corpus is another word for document set. Link is represent the collocation of terms in the corpus by describing them in a network through the use of force-directed graphs. In this graph, the word frequency is indicated by the relative size of the term. Bubbliness is visualized the frequency and distribution of terms in the corpus. Cirrus is a kind of word cloud that denotes terms that appear most frequently in a corpus or documents. Trends show line graphs depicting the distribution of words occurrence across a corpus or documents. Trends are visualization that represents the frequency of terms across documents in a corpus or across segments in a document depending on the mode. The context or keywords in context tool shows each occurrence of a keyword with a little text around it. This can be useful for learning more closely how the term is used in different contexts. Reader is tools provides a way of reading documents in the corpus. The text is drawn as needed. That's for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I will continue about the terms in Voyant. Egg summary. It provides a simple text overview of the current corpus, including the number of words, the number of unique words, the longest and the shortest document, the highest and the lowest vocabulary density, the average number of words per sentence, the most frequent words, the peak frequency that matters, and different words. And then 9. The corpus collocates. It's a tabular view of the most frequently occurring terms near keywords across the corpus. And 10. Collocates graph. It represents keywords and terms that appear nearby as a force-directed network graph. And 11. Precise. This tool shows us a repeated sequence of words arranged by the frequency of repetition or the number of words in each repeated phrase. And 12. Termberry is a tool that provides a way to explore high-frequency terms and their collocation. In some ways, it is like Cyrus, but even more useful with additional collocates and corpus coverage information. And the last one is the document term. It's a display of the frequency table of terms for each document.
The first one is Cyrus. So from the picture, as we can show, this is the result that we got from the 250 reviewers who give the 5 stars to the Instagram app. So from the result that we got, the most big words that we saw on the picture is the most frequent words that the reviewer use to review this app. So it means the most frequent words that reviewer use is app, Instagram, October, love, good, like, great, new, really, use, and any others. So this is the result before we clean the words that we think is not usable to review this app. After we issue the word that we felt unnecessary to be said on this Instagram review, so this is the result that we got. The most frequent words that the reviewer use still app, love, new, good, really, friends, and any other words. So is this the result that we got from the Cyrus after we issue the words that unnecessary that we feel to use to review this app?
The second one is terms. In this terms table, we can see the most frequent words that appear after we did an analysis from the user review of Instagram. This table arranged by the most frequent word to the less frequent word that appear in the user review of Instagram. The most frequent word before word cleansing is app 206 times, Instagram 114 times, love 85 times, each 80 times, and so on. After we did the word cleansing, the terms table shows that for a most frequent terms that appear is app for 206 times. The second one is changed from terms Instagram to terms love 86 times. The third one it's 80 times, and fourth like 75 times, and so on.
Third, links. Links represent the collocation of terms in a corpus by depicting them in a network through the use of a force-directed graph. In this graph, the frequency of the word is indicated by relative size of the term. As we can see in the image, was provide related words which are like, Instagram, love, app, use, it's, good, October, and really. So every time you click each word, those would shows us any other word related. Like for example, if you click Instagram, it will shows you another related words like love, app, use, it's, and etc. Next, links after cleansing. The appearance of other new words like great and best. So every time you click each word, those would shows us any other word related. Like if you click app, the other word related will be pop up like love, it's, best, like, and etc. So as we can see in the image provided, pop up of words is like it's really, good, app. So each words are related towards the others.